Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, welcome to my September Saturday stitching, and this month it has been samplers. Next month we are going to do fall, autumn, that kind of thing for October. So just a little heads up. So today we're going to be working on this. Looks like honeycomb, actually, right in here. The color is 741 and it's kind of an orange color. So how is everybody doing? Holy cow, it's been a weekend. Yesterday was just quite busy. We left the house at 9 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, and oh yes, this is a 14 count, by the way, before I forget, trying to get you in frame here. Went and had breakfast and came back here and didn't do anything for about an hour, just kind of rested. And then where did we go? Oh, after breakfast we went to the thrift store here in town, and then we came home and rested for about a half an hour or whatever, and then we took off for the hot springs and we did that for an hour, and then we went to the thrift store down there in Salida where the hot springs is. We went there and walked around, and we went to Walmart and came home. It was nice and warm all day. I mean, it hasn't been cold or freezing or no more rain. So, yeah. But yeah, that's been the extent of it. We just went out to eat at the Chinese restaurant last night, and we were just both about done for running around. So today we got to go on that drive up to Independence Pass. So hopefully I'll have some pictures for you all. So that'll be fun. And I believe my daughter and my granddaughter are going. I don't think my grandson's going. I don't know. She said he hadn't made up his mind whether he was going to go to work with his dad or if he was just going to stay there at the house and not do anything, you know, just play games or whatever. Because he's 14, so he's well able to stay at home, and he likes playing on his games. His cousin, my grandson up in Leadville, they play on some game on the Switch, but they can get in and talk to others, you know, but they like to do that together. So, big choices. So I have no idea what he'll want to do. Come on, thread. I didn't even roll this up. I'm doing well today. Yeah, we're just all a little bit pooped. I don't know how else to put it. So I think that this excursion up to Independence Pass is going to be a hike thing, you know, where we hike through the woods and all that, just whatever's readily available, shall we say, you know, not the side of the road, but there's, my daughter said there was a lot of little side roads you could just get off and, you know, take pictures and stuff. So we'll see how that all turns out. I, of course, will let you know. So, but looking forward to that. So it's been a pretty eventful week, or weekend, I should say. Oh my goodness. I think what Laura needs is a nap, more so than anything. Oh, and I bought a new computer. Yeah, bought a new computer. I thought, why not? Yeah, because this one's about ready to shoot craps, you know? So, we'll just, yeah. It'll take me a hot moment to get it all together and what goes with what, so, yeah. It might be like my next weekend or days off that I will mess with it. So, yeah, I always love this part. It's always just so awesome and special. Yeah. Because I get to be the techie. Because there's nobody else around. And my friend is not a techie, so, yeah. I mean, he knows things, but, yeah. It's something you just kind of got to do yourself, you know what I mean? I hate it, but it's a necessary evil, if you will. Oh, goodness gracious me, oh mile. And hopefully the weather will be nice today. We seem to be getting clouds in the afternoon, but not threatening rain clouds, so works for me. Oh my goodness. Whoops. I haven't worked on this for a little bit, so I thought, why not, you know? It looks like a sampler. I was going to do the lettering, but I thought, no. We'll just carry on with this orangish color up here. There's quite a bit of it. And I'm glad this is a partial, so yay. Fun times. And at least it has stretches at a time here that I don't have to stop and start again, you know, in someplace else, so that's a good thing. My stuff from fan sales should be either here today or Monday. I'm not sure when that will arrive. Sometimes it feels like it takes forever. I mean, AliExpress just really not scared me. It surprised me that it got here as fast as it did. I guess maybe I was distracted by other things. I have no idea, but the time before that seems like it took forever, and then it kept saying it was coming, and it wasn't. It's like, okie dokie. Or they were sending it all in one package, or they weren't sending it, or they were sending them individually. AliExpress is a little bit of a mess. What can I say? Oh my goodness. And I haven't been doing a whole bunch of stitching, so it's going to be kind of a quick floss tube this week. I just have not, and when I have finally gotten time, I'm just too tired to even, you know, I don't want to do it when I'm terribly tired, because I'm afraid I'll mess it up, and then I'll end up having to do it all over again, you know, take it all out. And you know how that goes with me. Yeah, that's how that happens. So, yeah. Fun times. So I have no idea what's going to transpire next week. we will just have to wait and see. Don't know, I don't have any other personal orders coming other than fan sales, and I'm 90% sure that that will come, you know, all at one time. It should. But I talked to Ryan at fan sales, and said they were having kind of a delay with the oops, put my needle in there, with those beaded cross stitches. So yeah, not sure, you know, I guess a lot of people are liking them, so it's taken a little bit longer to get them, you know, in and stuff. So, but I got no complaints. I got plenty to do here. I guess we'll go down. It's such a pretty little sampler. I like this. It's just easy. Of course, there's going to be back stitching, but, you know, I try not to let that bug the crap out of me. I just stitch. Just stitch. That's all I want to do. And when we get all the stitching done, then we'll worry about the stupid back stitch. Another one I like to start sewing on again is not the cat one, you know, where the cat's, like it was a cat, but the kittens in a basket I'd like to stitch on. It's an 11 count, as a matter of fact. So, and it was fairly easy to stitch on, because the devil is going to be the back stitch in that one, just to bring everything out. But I really like that kit. Oh my goodness. Quite the rain over there on the East Coast. I hope everybody is safe and dry. I've never lived any place where they had a hurricane or even so much as a tropical storm, you know. That has never happened. And I lived in Houston for 2 years, so it didn't, I mean, it rained all the time anyway, but it kind of reminded me of, where's that? Oh, you know, like subtropical, like Singapore and all that, or Korea, where it rains all the time. Yeah. But never a big hurricane or anything. We had everything to go for it, but never happened. And I lived in Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Texas, Wyoming, and Colorado, and I've never seen a tornado. Go figure. So, fun times. Alright, guys. Well, we got about just looks like a flower right there. More of that green to do. So let me just put that there. I'll turn it around. So yeah, it's getting filled in. I don't know what the other colors are, you know, as far as that goes. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for joining me for September Saturday stitching. I do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.